You are welcome back. Now, calculation on fraction. Let's look at some calculation that involves fraction. Number one, which does not belong to the group. A, 1/4, B, 3/8, C, 8/3, D, 4/5, E, 5/6. Look at this question now. We want to know the one that does not belong to the group, that does not belong to the group. 1/4, that's a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. 3/8 is a proper fraction because 3 is less than 8. C, 8/3 is improper fraction because 8 is more than, as the numerator is more than the denominator. 4/5, that's a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator, while 5/6 is also a proper fraction because 5 is less than 6. So the one that does not belong to the group is 8/3, which is improper fraction. Number two, express express 9 whole number 6/11 as improper fraction. Solution to this: 9 whole number 6/11, it will be 11 times 9 in brackets plus 6 divided by 11, which will now be 99 plus 6/11. That's 105/11. Now, when you are taking mixed fraction to improper fraction, use the numerator of the fractional part to multiply the whole number, then add the numerator to it to give you improper fraction. Number three, express (100) divided by 12 as mixed fraction. Solution to this: we want to express 100/12, 100 divided by 12 as a mixed fraction. We have to find the number of times 12 will go in 100. We know that will be 12 times 10 will give you 120. 12 times 9, that one will give you 12 times 9. That's 8. Remember 9. That's 108. So that one is more. The 108 is more than the numerator. I will not take 9. 12 times 8. That's 6. Remember 8. That's 96. So that means 96 is not up to 100. So 12 in 100, I will take 8. So now 100 minus 96. That's 4. That means I'm having 4/12. If you look at the fractional part of the mixed number we have here, 4 can still go in 12 because 4 is a factor of 12. So I will just say 4 here 1, 4 here 3. So my final answer now will not be 8 whole number 1/3. 8 whole number 1/3. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. Reduce 12/36 to its lowest term. If you want to reduce 12/36 to its lowest term, so also to this 12 divided by 36. You can divide it bit by bit by saying 2 here 6, 2 here 1 8, 2 here 3, 2 here 9, 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So now my final answer will not be 1/3. To reduce a fraction to its lowest term, find a common factor that will go in the numerator and at the same time in the denominator. Then cut bit by bit until you read the last lowest number. Number 5. Which of the following fractions is equivalent to 4/7? We have A, 24/36, B, 6, 24/30, rather 24/30, B, 14/21, C, 28/49, D, 14/49, and E, 14/36. Don't forget, we want to find a number that will be equivalent to this 4/7. If you want to look for a fraction that will be equivalent to 4/7, the same factor must go in both numerator and denominator. Now 24/6. So what to give me 4 from the numerator is by dividing by 6. And if you divide that by 6, it will give you 5. No, this one is not equivalent. A is not equivalent. Let's go to B. 7 can go in both numerator and denominator. 7 here 2, 7 here 3. It's not equivalent. Look at this one. 7 in 28, it will give me 4. And 7 in 49 will give me 7. So that means this is the one that will give me the equivalent. But look at this one, 14/49. 14 is not a factor. 4 is not a factor of 14. So I will not take this one, and I won't take this one either. So that means 28/49 is equivalent to 4/7. Number 6. Which now take note of this. Note before I continue. When the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied or divided by the same number, the result is an equivalent fraction. Number 6 now. Which of the following is the same as 28/84? Now, the same thing applies to this. They want us to take it to the lowest form. Let's see. 28/84. Divide it by bits. 2 here, 14, 2 here, 4, 2. In fact, 7 here, 2, 7 here, 6. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. So the equivalent is 1/3. Number 7. Solve 1/5 plus 3/10. Solution to this: 1/5 plus 3/10. Find the s here. S of 5 and 10 is 10. 5 here, 5 in 10, 2 times 1, 2 plus 10 in 10. 10 in 10, 1 times 3, 3. So I have 2 plus 3, 5/10. This is 5/10. You have to take it to the simplest form, which will now be 5 here 1, 5 here 2, 1/2. When we come back, we'll continue from here.